Suppressedfest 2018 event, displaying our new line of Evolution suppressors. It's our new true cross-platform multi-caliber suppressor. We'll suppress everything from 17 HMR all the way up to a 300 Win Mag with proper suppression. Each suppressor comes with caliber-specific multi-brakes. So that way you get your proper suppression on each caliber of your rifle. We also have the Swarm that we licensed to KG Made. This is the one that was torture tested on Iraqi Veteran 888's YouTube video. And then we also have our line of integrally suppressed 1022 barrels. We have the Classic, we have the, which is a standard, we also have the Takedown, and we also have the new EOS XL, which is for the accuracy. We have it right over here at the other booth mounted to our rifle so we can shoot it today for precision accuracy at 100 yards. That's basically what we have that we're presenting today.
I like the scope. I like that.
It was cheap. It was like $300 for a gun though, and then it usually kind of settles in.
Here at Suppressedfest 2018.
And I'm Don. I'm the CEO of Suppressedfest. That's what we said. We're out here at 2018.
Just bringing our cans. We recently participated in some independent testing that was really awesome for us, and we're pretty excited about the results of that. We got some really extremely quiet cans, and we also are extremely accurate, so that is even better. This is our brand new suppressor, and it's called the Money Shot. And this is its debut right now. This is actually a trademark name now. So, we will have here the T22, the T3, and the TI3, sorry, and the T2, which is our 5.56 and the 30 cal, and what else? Oh, the 9.
The T9C.
The T9C, which is a 9mm carbine. That's what we'll be shooting on the line over there. And we have the guns all set up. We have had Spikes. Tactical has provided us with a 9mm. They're amazing little 9mm over there that you can shoot. And we have Rise Armament has provided us with 2 other rifles. So they're brand new rifles, getting ready to have fun today.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Headshot.
MPX SBR 6.5-inch barrel, Wolf 9 SD suppressor, Aimpoint T1 micro. The Wolf 9 SD is in its long configuration, and it is spanking steel all day long. It also has a Geisley single stage curved trigger in it. As seen on the internet.
So hey, I'm Chris from 1441 Engraving. We're out of Brunswick, Georgia, and we offer NFA engraving here at the NFA Review Show. And we also offer any type of other engraving on firearms and any other type of metal objects, as you can see here. So we do NFA deep engraving here. And where'd my other lower go? I moved it. Got some etching done here, some stippling, and lasering mags and other items here. Your iPad, all this stuff. Anyways, we're FFL dealers. We also have a Class 3, so you can ship a Class 3 firearm and suppressor. And that's about it.
All right. Full auto. Oh, Magnum's always so small on my face.